welcome back to my channel. So I'm posting again this week. I have some collagen in me, so I'm posting a new look this week. For this look, I am inspired by the palette itself. It is the palette that I bought like early this year, probably. It is the Kat Von D 10-year Anniversary Eyeshadow palette. I haven't had a chance to like play with it, or maybe I was a little uninspired, but today, last night actually, I was inspired to do this makeup look. So here it is. I hope you guys will enjoy it. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching.